guys, I'm David here. Today we're on a boat. You can see the motor right there. And oh, there's my grandma.
Thank you.
Your mom's waving at you.
Oh, there's my mom.
Hi, Vicky.
And my brother is
Do a little bit of
driving.
driving around.
Help you with that? I thought we were gonna fish.
We'll fish from the shore. It'll be easier. It's so shallow out here. It's hard to check the boat. I didn't know it was this shallow. So we'll come fish from the shore.
So here we are.
Keep you afloat. Oh yeah.
Okay, now we're.
Used to be the spot back in the day.
Oh, there's a bird. There.
Yeah, look at those birds over there. Oh, here it comes.
Are they sand graves?
Can you get close enough? You zoomed in?
You'll grab the fish up.
What is that? What kind of bird is
Oh,
that?
sand graves.
Sand.
Whoa,
Yeah, go up
whoa.
front there, maybe get a better picture on the bow.
Oh, there's little fish jumping.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're just getting the back there. Oh, the net won't catch those. They're too small. We're gonna fish from the shore. So we're gonna do a few laps and just sort of float around. Then we'll get Vicky and go a couple more
Not a
laps.
few laps, it's so slow.
We'll go a little bit faster when we get out here.
Dad, we're gonna go over there. Over there.
Oh, it's too shallow. We're gonna go from the shore.
Are the cattails, are they the ones with the big leaves, or is it something else?
Those are cattails and lily pads.
Yeah, but, yeah. Biological grandpa, huh?
Yeah.
He's a nice guy. He's kind of short, round, and cute. He's cute.
Oh, we're picking up speed. You can see the big splashy things.
That's right, the big splashy thing.
And the boat's kind of
Waves.
tilted
Waves.
upward.